How to stake Ethereum on NDAX and earn passive rewards. If you're holding Ethereum on NDAX and want to earn passive rewards without actively trading, staking can be a simple way to put your crypto to work. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to stake Ethereum on NDAX, how the process works, and a few things to watch out for before you confirm your stake. Let's get started. Open the NDAX app and you'll land on the trade screen. From here, look at the menu along the bottom and tap on Wallet. Inside your wallet, you'll see all of the cryptocurrencies you currently own. Find Ethereum, sometimes shown as ETH, and tap on it. This will take you to your Ethereum details page. Here you'll see information such as your current Ethereum balance, your average purchase price, and the current value of your holdings. Near the bottom of the screen, you'll see a blue button. Tap on that button to open additional options for your Ethereum. From the list of options, select Stake. NDAX will now show you the available staking plans. These plans can change over time, so pay attention to the details shown on your screen, including the estimated reward rate, lockup period if applicable, and any other terms associated with the plan. Next, you'll be asked to enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to stake. You can manually enter the amount, or you can use the preset percentage buttons to quickly choose a portion of your holdings. For example, you might stake 25%, 50%, 75%, or even 100% of your available Ethereum. Before moving forward, remember that any Ethereum you stake may not be immediately available for trading or withdrawal, depending on the staking terms. Make sure you're comfortable with the amount you're committing. Once you've entered your desired amount, tap Continue. You'll now arrive at the summary screen. This is your opportunity to review all of the details before submitting your staking request. Take a moment to verify the staking amount and payment frequency shown on the screen. One important setting to check is the Restake Rewards option. If it's available, make sure it's enabled. When this option is turned on, any rewards you earn are automatically added back into your staking balance. This allows your rewards to start generating additional rewards over time, which is often referred to as compounding. Think of it as earning rewards on top of your rewards without having to manually reinvest them yourself. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm. That's it. Your staking request has been submitted. Depending on the staking program, it may take some time before your Ethereum officially enters the staking pool and begins earning rewards. NDAX will handle the process automatically, and you'll be able to monitor your staking activity and rewards directly within the app. A quick reminder before we finish, staking rewards are not guaranteed, and reward rates can change over time. It's always a good idea to review the current staking details inside NDAX before committing your funds. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple cryptocurrency tutorials, investing guides, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.